Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In this video, I am going to show you how to Google Sheet tips and secret to copy fill down. So let's get started. So the first step tip, use the fill handle for quick copying filling down. Select the cell with the data or formula you want to copy down. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the selected cell until a small blue square. Click and drag the fill handle down the column to the desired range. This will copy the cell contents into all selected cells. So the second step is secret. Double click to autofill. Once the cell is selected, double click the fill handle and it will automatically fill down to match the data in the adjacent column. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video to others. Thank you.